Hello.
Hey everyone.
Welcome back.
Today we're doing something a little different.
Tad different.
You know, it's spooky season. Woo! It's officially September.
Yay.
So we are getting in the fall spirit. We're gonna do a little decorating inside the house for now. It's a rainy day, so.
Outside will be later.
We just installed some floating shelves you can see to my left
Fancy.
here. So we're gonna decorate those a little bit and put some other fun stuff around our house to get in the fall spirit. All right, so first thing first is we got some new stuff, we have some old stuff, and we also are gonna reuse some of our wedding decor items. So this little piece here is from it was what we put our cards in, and we are gonna decorate it with some wonderful potpourri. Smells like apple cinnamon.
Potpourri.
I'm really excited, and I also have some pumpkins, and we have some lights. So we'll see how it turns out. I don't know yet. First time doing this, but we have a bunch of stuff to put in a thing. Cheers. Evan's gonna hang it for us.
Where up top do you want it? Centered, off to the left, off to the right?
Probably to the left. Evan has his favorite sign.
Parks and Rec.
And
the first Halloween episode.
We're gonna add it to our shelf. I'm sure his mother will love it.
It's really funny. Everyone likes it. Crappy Halloweeners.
Let's,
that's hilarious.
I don't know where it's going yet.
Here are your options.
Probably.
Curved
just
like
so you
that?
can read it. Yeah. And then maybe we can put like,
A pumpkin.
get the copper lantern maybe? Yeah. Here's our little Halloween loot.
Jason skulls, 'cause you have to.
A lot of this stuff is for outside.
This was the bag.
Aha! I do have a sign. Yeah, we'll probably put that on the ledge somewhere too. That might actually be cute there.
Instead of the lantern?
Just kind of throw everything up there for now and we can like move things around, I think. All right, just came back from Hobby Lobby. Had to go get some apples for our little wood box thing. And I also stopped at Michael's and got some more of my fall potpourri. And now my hands smell like apple cinnamon. So let me show you how it turned out. Evan is about to put it back up. I think it looks much better now that it's nice and full.
Break the shelf, why don't I? On the side.
Move it over just a touch.
Yeah, hold on. Hold your horses.
My horses are held.
More?
A little bit. Yeah. So now we just need to, oh, I don't think I showed you this yet. I drew a little hand lettering chalk stuff on our board. I was inspired by something I saw online. So yes, that is chalk paint. And I did it myself in art class. All right, have my crapples. And I'm gonna put them in our little box.
Rock traps.
Ready? Here we go. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
There's our little Halloween guy stuff. There's our apple festival-y wonderfulness. And then our little cute pumpkin-y stuff with our really big thing that I'm too short to get. So I'll back up for one more nice look. Our shelves
Are awesome.
are great and they're done. Now we have a couple more things to decorate the house with, but that was our biggest project. Now we just have a couple more things to put up.
Not too much more.
Yeah, so let's keep going. Woo. Next we're gonna do these pumpkins. We're gonna do them on the railing because I think it'll look so cute. It was Evan's idea though.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
Do you think I should wrap them around once or do you think it'll be okay?
I think they would go too short if you wrapped them around, but I don't know.
It might stay just like that.
It's kind of cool.
That works.
I like that.
Right?
Yeah, I like that a lot. That's cool.
If it falls,
We'll pick it up.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
That's cute.
Yeah, I like that.
Ah, how cute.
I like that a lot.
So fun. I have this Haunted Mansion sign that we got in Disney. And we put this on the door handle. I can't remember how we got it to like fit
Quickly.
quickly. That's helpful.
Close. Do you want me to do it?
No,
Okay.
I can do it.
As long as you don't break it. Yeah.
There we go. Ta-da! Perfect. Yeah, that should be good. Oh!
Oh no.
Great. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, if we hear a loud bang in the middle of the night, we know what it is.
Could be anything. Could be the apples too.
Looks cool, guys.
Ta-da! Now there's that for our door. Next we have these adorable bats on a little garland. Ah, courtesy of Target from like 2 years ago. So I'm gonna hang those up next on our curtains behind me.
Curtain rod, baby.
It'll match because our room is like gray, black, brown, white, yellow, orange.
It's always
Whatever.
Halloween in my soul.
Always Halloween in my soul. Whoa! It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. After the long knot saga, it was not working. Ha ha ha.
Insert laughter.
Oh. That one will definitely be turning. I can tell. Yeah, he doesn't like to look at people.
That's alright, he's shy.
Antisocial bat.
He's doing it right for 2020. That one's okay. There you go. Bats up in the air.
Not to be confused with
Bats on the
baseball
ground.
bats.
It's true.
All right, another one down. Ooh. Ah. Okay, next we're gonna hang some lights. We had some just plain old white Christmas lights up here, but I already took them down. They first went up when we did our quarantine bar video back in April.
Link.
Linking it up there. I think I'm doing the right side
Yep.
this time.
Yep. Your left.
So now we're gonna do some cool orangey lights. They kind of remind me of candy corns a little bit. They're like yellow with an orangey red tip.
See if we can
So.
focus in on it.
Also, comment down below if you like candy corn because I feel like people are very divided. I personally like candy corn like one time a year. Right around Halloween, one bag and I'm good to go. Because it is very sugary and kind of weird, but I do like it.
I like it a lot, but only at Halloween.
Yeah, and Brock's, I think is the name of the company
Sure.
that I like.
It's pretty boss.
All right, ready?
There you go. The chasing lights in my life. Stick your head between the pot. So we have one last thing for right now, I think.
Yeah, we have some other stuff, but we're not really sure where we want to put things yet. So we have like these little eyeball lights that we might put around somewhere, but the tricky thing is they don't have that like end-to-end connector. So it's tough to find a spot to plug them in and not use an extension cord.
And it definitely 100% blew a few fuses last year.
Yeah, we have 3 sets of them, and we used them outside, like around the outside of our door. And we had to like snake extension cords all the way around the door.
It looked crazy.
It was nuts. Like we made it work, but yeah, it blew like.
And the electric company was very excited.
So yeah, but so I have this lovely creepy fabric that we used from our Stranger Things upside down party thing last year. That we totally should have filmed. I don't know why we didn't for you guys, but we did post a picture on our Instagram, so check that out. Home away from Disney. And I put some little creepies on the ends of our stuff there. But we're gonna get Mr. Mummy out of his box, kind of his coffin. Ooh.
Tomb.
Tomb? Coffin. It's our coffin.
Mummy? Yes. I was saying mummies don't go in coffins.
This is what coffin is. It's a coffin.
Cough, I guess.
Oh, I was like, why are you coughing? COVID. So we put a towel on our subwoofer because the mummy's glittery and wiry and we don't want it getting all gross. But
ruining our sweet sub.
On brand with our Halloween stuff and make it look a little more creepy here. So there you go, easy fix. Just some lovely fabrics here.
We got this mummy from Target.
We love Target.
Target's cool stuff. Oh, they're so cute. I love him.
Holding him by his crotch.
He's only 2, so. See? I love him.
He's so cute.
There was a cool Grim Reaper there last year, but we liked him better because you could see the lights through him more.
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm coughing.
Sarcophaging.
So there's Mr. Mummy.
Martin the Mummy.
Sure.
I just named him.
Ta-da!
Look how freaking cool.
He's so cute.
I love him.
So, yeah. Oh, that looks great.
All right. So let's give you one last look around. As a recap, we have our beautiful Jason Voorhees lights and our orange and red candy corn lights. We have our amazing looking shelves. Hey-o. Sorry.
So you can see them.
Go bottom shelf for you again. And the medium. And the top. Ugh, they're so cool. We got Mr. Mummy himself. Here. Top the creep factor. Aria's barking.
I know, I feel like I just heard a dog howling. Creepy. Hey!
Here they are. Creepy bats. Creepy hangings. We got very festive railings.
And our festive door.
Trick or treat. And welcome, foolish mortals!
That's all for now. We will take you on another journey when we decide to decorate the outside because we have some pretty cool spooky stuff going on out there.
Trick or treat.
He's not really taller, we're just on the stairs. So thank you for watching. We had so much fun decorating for fall. Let us know what you're doing to decorate your house for fall.
Please.
And enjoy our dog barking per usual.
Please subscribe. Give us that thumbs up. And make sure you hit that bell icon so you can be notified about other videos going up on this channel. And follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you next time.
Bye. Ooh.